Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon Brussels sprouts step by step. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees F and line a sheet pan. Toss halved sprouts with oil and salt so they roast evenly. Chop bacon into bite-sized pieces and reserve some fat for flavor. Spread sprouts and bacon on one layer and avoid crowding to ensure crispness. Roast until tender and caramelized, then finish with a splash of vinegar for brightness. In this video, I will show how to make bacon Brussels sprouts step by step. Seasoning is simple and forgiving, so start with kosher salt and black pepper. A light sprinkle of brown sugar or a drizzle of maple adds caramel notes without overpowering. Toss everything evenly so each piece gets seasoned and coated. After roasting, add a splash of vinegar or lemon to cut richness and lift all the flavors into balance. In this video, I will show how to make bacon Brussels sprouts step by step. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes hands-free while your roast finishes, and it fits nicely on the counter beside your cutting board. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make bacon Brussels sprouts step by step. Roast at 425 degrees F for 20 to 25 minutes until sprouts are tender and edges are golden brown. Stir once halfway through to redistribute bacon and expose new surfaces for browning. Watch the last 5 minutes closely so bacon crisps without charring the sprouts. Remove when a knife slides through easily and the aroma is nutty and irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.